हेलो एवरीवन। आज जो टॉपिक हम लोग देखने जा रहे हैं उसका नाम है स्पीसीज डाइवर्सिटी। तो व्हाट इज अ स्पीसीज डाइवर्सिटी? देन यू कैन सी दैट द नंबर ऑफ डिफरेंट स्पीसीज प्रेजेंट इन एन इकोसिस्टम। तो द नंबर ऑफ डिफरेंट स्पीसीज मतलब कितनी तरह की स्पीसीज किसी भी इकोसिस्टम में प्रेजेंट है। फर्स्ट थिंग इज दैट, एंड सेकेंड एबंडेंस ऑफ ईच ऑफ दोज स्पीसीज, मतलब उन स्पीसीज़ का एबंडेंस, उनका नंबर या बायोमास वो कितना ज़्यादा या कम है। ये दोनों फैक्टर्स जो हैं वो स्पीसीज डाइवर्सिटी को डिटरमाइन करती हैं। अभी सेकंड थिंग इज दैट डाइवर्सिटी डिपेंड्स अपॉन स्पीसीज रिचनेस एंड इवननेस। तो पहले तो हमने देखा स्पीसीज, नंबर ऑफ स्पीसीज एंड दियर एबंडेंस डिटरमाइंस स्पीसीज डाइवर्सिटी। अब सेकेंड थिंग इज and here second thing is species richness and evenness. Then what are species richness and evenness? The species richness means the number of different type of species present in a community. Means the same thing what I was told earlier, a different species, तो कितनी तरह की स्पीसीज प्रेजेंट हैं वही होता है स्पीसीज रिचनेस। And second thing is species evenness. Then the equatability of species abundance means जो भी species present हैं उनका number equal है या नहीं, that determines species evenness. Then we seen that two things, species uh, species richness and species evenness determines the species diversity. And species richness is the number of different species present in a ecosystem, and species evenness is the equatability of species abundance, means the population of different species are equal to each other or not equal. We can understand this by this figure. Here we have example of two different communities. Here it is the community A and this is B. In this community we can see that these are the different type of species. Here 5 type of species, here also 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 type of species. अभी हम लोग देखते हैं कि in case of community A, the all different 5 type of species and their number are almost equal. Here we can see abundance, means their population or number are almost equal. It means that each species are of equal number. It means here evenness is high. And in the second case, here in B community, species 1 as you can see is the highest number and means the highest population, but the species, other species 2, 3, 4 and 5, and their abundance is very low, means their population or their number is very low. Means here species 1 is dominating on other species, means here high dominance. And if species dominate over others, means their number are not equal but very different, that means low evenness. So as you can see here, if the different number of species are equal means evenness is high, but if the number of species are not equal then evenness is low. Now we can understand with this figure. In case of these communities, community A and community B, there are total 4 type of species are present. As you can see, in the both community 4 type of species are present. Means species richness is 4 in both of the cases. Species richness means the number of different type of species present in a community. Here 4 type of communities are present in both of 4 type of species are present in both of the community A and community B. Means the species richness in both of the cases is 4. Now the second point is, what is species evenness? Then here we can see in community A, species 1 has population of 7, and species 2 is 1, 3 is 1, 4 is 1. But in case of community B, here species 1 is 2, 2 is 2, 3 is 3, and 4 is 4. Sorry, this is also 3. Means in community A, this species is dominating over others, and equatability between species here is not the same. Means as one species have the 7 number of population and other only 1 and here 1. But in community B, you can see two species are having 3 population size and other 2 species having 2 population size. Means here equality of species is greater in comparison to this. Here equality is lower. Equality is lower. Means, and we studied that species evenness means if the number of different species are equal, then evenness will be high. So in this case, number of species are almost equal, then species evenness will be high. But here number of species are not equal, but one type of species is dominating over others, so evenness is low. Now the question is, as we studied what is diversity, then I told earlier that diversity is the number of different species and the equality between population size. So in this case equality is low, so evenness is low, and in this case equality is high, so evenness is high, and the number of species are 4, in both of the cases are equal. So here only evenness will determine the diversity. But in case of community A, evenness is low, so diversity will be low. But here evenness is high in community B, so diversity will be higher. So this is now clear that how species richness and evenness determines the diversity. Here community B have the higher diversity because the equality between species is higher, and so evenness is higher, so diversity will be higher. Okay friends, we will meet in next class where we will study about species interaction. Have a nice day. Bye.